Hey, you are always welcome. So today I'm going to clean my chain, and actually the rest of the bike is okay because I have cleaned my bike. I gave it for a foam wash because I was on a tour for one day and it became very dirty, and then the next day I felt very lazy and I just gave it for a foam wash. So here we go. Basically what you would need is a brush like this, a chain cleaning brush. So actually essentially today I'm going to show you a very stupid method of cleaning your chain. So I'm going to show you a very stupid method of doing it. I would not recommend this to you because I'm essentially going to use the engine power for running the chain, and then I'm just going to hold the chain like this. It's not good. Don't do it if you have not done it before, and if you're doing it, please don't do it. If you're doing it, you can as well do something like this, because this is essentially keeping your limbs, your fingers away from the chain and the sprocket. So my chain is very dirty, so I'm going to just prime it, and I'm going to do it just kerosene. So I'm going to prime the chain with this using manual power. And honestly guys, if you're doing it like this, that's the best way of doing it. I'm also going to prime this, just very dirty. Now is the time to do the stupid part. Okay. Bad idea. Pretty bad idea. So most of the dirt has come down. You can see it's still dripping from around here, and hopefully the chain is looking clean, or at least cleaner than before. Is it? Seems to be. So some of the excess dirt will be taken by the cloth, or it will be wiped off by the cloth. Now how is the chain looking now? Yep, much better than before. Definitely a lot better than before. One good thing about the Java 300 is even the radiator was kicked in, but the silencers are still warm. They don't get heated up. It's a single cylinder engine, so cylinder engine with dual exhaust, so the heat has been distributed between the two. That's a good thing. You're not going to burn anybody with your silencers, no matter how hot your engine becomes. Yep. So this is the amount of grease that has come from the bike. The application of lube remains, but I'm going to put that after a while. That is the easier part. Just take a toothbrush and stick it in here.